Have you faced the issue where your Messenger voice message is not playing or not working on your iPhone? No worries. Here's the advanced guide on how to solve Messenger voice message not working problem with some easy solutions. So let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app. Open the App Store, tap Search, type the app. If there is any update available, then update the app. And if there is no update, then try the next process. Solution 2. Offload the app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage. Find out the app. Tap Offload again. Tap Reinstall. Now check again. If you still have the issues, then follow the next solution. Check the Facebook server. Open any browser, type down detector, type search, type Facebook, and from here, check whether Facebook is down or not. If you found that the server is down, then you have to wait some time for them to fix the server. Solution 4. Reinstall the app. Press and hold on the app. Then tap on a Remove the App option. After that, tap on Delete App. Tap on Delete, and your app will be deleted. And now, reinstall the app from the App Store. Also make sure to have full sound on Facebook. So this is the way to solve the Messenger voice message not working problem. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have any kind of questions, then please ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.